know say money good.
Good.
See as only us come there for this big firehouse.
I tell you.
Come be like saying our own.
We don't talk about that. Money good.
Baby. Let her now say this thing go the plan. Everything come work out. Everything can go well. As to the plan now. You just say you go see this country.
The truth be say, I don't get any active plan for now. But as you talk, I'm so leaving this country would be the best option.
Yes, now at least maybe we'll go somewhere because the money go there. Where?
Yes.
Go where people no go see us.
That would be nice. So, like, where you get for mind?
Like Azerbaijan.
Yeah. Which kind of name be that one, Azerbaijan? Where that one they come?
Why they talk like this? This one they show me say you be village girl.
I don't know him now. I don't know. I'm not the village I come from. Why the name self sound like poverty? What do you call it?
Azerbaijan.
Which kind of name? Where are they?
Okay, wait. Make I educate you geographically. Okay, like say all these things where they do you now don't follow you come here now.
Hey God.
Azerbaijan na country where they inside Europe. No be say you get level like UK or America. But na better country where they okay. We be say if we go there, nobody. The way they talk now say you know. Now so many people no still they remember say they there. But why I want me to go this place? Because if we go UK or US now, una village people feel there for there. You go see. But this one now be say we go hide. Nobody gonna say we there.
Azerbaijan, we go. The place good. We go there. So like, how many years you think so we'll stay for that place?
We'll start with 10 years first.
10 years too much now. What will they do for that place for 10 years?
No.
Which time we can't go the other country then?
We will not go anywhere. 10 years not too much. At least when we there for 10 years, we'll come become citizen. You know, say, we'll come born children now. Our children will come become citizen again.
Okay. We'll come down to Oga and Madam Obodo Ibo Maka. I don't think wait.
This one's got the
What?
This is not your fear of bad friends. It's pregnancy. Your life is in danger. Bad friends under your nose. Be careful. This is not your friend. They pretend to love you. This is pregnancy. Your life is in danger.
I think saying that here, this person they follow home. Okay. Now our neighbor. Hi. Why can't be saying now? Now when he be say I don't close, I don't almost they reach for there. And this person can't do me this thing. So say my village people know they follow me. You say I'm waiting. Make I go back again. Jamaka. Come out. No be Oga. Now our neighbor say, I don't understand this person.
This is not your friend.
Jamaka.
All he does is pregnancy.
Jamaka.
Your life is in danger.
Come. No be Oga be there to come. Now our neighbor. This is what they do this girl now. Jamaka.
Show me your mind.
Duke.
Yeah,
Not
right.
your back.
I know this is going to sound crazy. But I want the money paid into your account, so you'll be giving me your domiciliary account number.
I thought you have one.
True, I do, but you know my wife is my account officer, so she has access to my account. Honestly, I don't want her to know about the deal. Yeah.
Very well then, I will send it. When did he say he'll be paying?
21st of next month. So let's be hopeful the money hits the account.
It's alright.
Hey, sign this agreement. Just to make sure.
It will drop. Calm down.
Sign.
Blood north.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is not your friend.
Great.
All right. Let me. I was on some documents in my office.
All right, that's fine. I'll see you later.
Mr. Ray.
Yeah. Thank you.
Mr. Ray.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Mr. Ray.
Oh Lord have mercy. What a day. Chiamaka! Chiamaka! Madam, I'm coming. Madam, you're back. Good day, ma. Welcome. Thank you. How was work today, ma?
Stressful as usual.
Oh, sorry, ma. Sorry.
What are you making for dinner?
Rice and stew, ma.
Rice and stew. Is that what my husband wants?
Yes, ma. I asked him this morning before he left for work.
Okay. I got you something.
Got me something.
An Android phone. You're a big girl, so I think you deserve it. You need it.
Madam. Wait. Madam. I'm scared I can't touch you. Madam. I like it. Madam, I have a phone. Madam, Android phone. Oh, madam, thank you. Madam, thank you.
It's fine.
Thank you. I feel like hugging you now, but I was in the kitchen when you called.
Oh, Chiamaka, it's fine. It's fine.
Thank you.
Okay, another thing. I will tell my husband to increase your salary because you're working too much in this house and I appreciate it.
Madam.
Madam, give me
Madam, I can help you. Hey, madam, God, we bless you. God, we bless you.
You have something to fire.
Chimo, stew. My stew, madam, my stew. Hey, madam, I'll come back more to thank you more. I'll go back to thank you more, madam.
She's so excited. Oh, Lord.
You are evildoer, you allow yourself to be used. So what do you stand to gain in all this? Why do you choose this wicked way? Why do you choose this evil way? Malukwa no bumado, ona ukwasi amu. Malukwa no mensi, oga nakwa nansi. Every day for the tea, but one day, very one day, not for the honor.
Hello? Yes. Good morning, sir. Yes. We there on them. Yeah, we are on it. That one. My eye there on her body. Yes, my eye is on her. I see her every day. Okay, no one. See. Okay, why? Make I tell you something. I said, make we give her small time now. Make we just give her small time. Because if we do anything now, they feel they suspect us. Go come look suspicious. Still no, can't get head again. So make we just give them small time, make everything calm down. Guy, you don't trust me again. Not me now. Only just give me 2 weeks. In 2 weeks' time, the man go down. Not me, they do again. Just relax. See, wait now. You don't forget say my name na clean sheet. You don't ever hear say I play match, they score me go. I know they concede goal. Yes. No reason. Yes. Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you, sir.
Make haste now while the sun shines, 'cause it's teaching time saves nine. One day, your since he must catch up with you. It doesn't matter how long or how smart you are. One day, your since he must catch up with you.
He has done for me. He has done for me what my mother cannot do. George. He has done for me. He has done for me what my mother cannot do. Don't give me phone, no. She buy me phone. See the phone. Android. You don't even get button. The latest one. Not the only that one. She says she go talk to her husband, make they increase my salary. Hey! He has done for me.
Chamaka, shut up.
What's happened?
Chamaka, shut up. You know say don't fuck up.
How?
Chamaka, you don't fuck up.
I don't understand. What's happened now? Why they?
Why you go they collect something from these people? You know our mission for here. Chamaka, waiting carry you go collect something from this woman. Chamaka, you won't post and say sour Gavi.
I bet George, don't talk this one. You get to they go put sugar for a mouth, we go spit am. I bet not spoil my mood this morning. What be this one? I carry something contrary, you won't spoil my mood. Why you won't keep my joy now?
Hey, whoa, this girl no get sense. Chamaka, wait oh. It is a way to come here they do say we'll come to rely on this peanut where they pay us for here. Check your account, make you know whether you get money where they pay us for here, get level rich money where they are your account. What did they worry you now? You know say we'll get plan for this place.
So
Chamaka, you won't spoil wetin we come do. Wait, make I warn you. Make today be the last time when you go carry something. When you go collect something from these people. Why they carry yourself, they throw, give them. They carry yourself, they throw, give them. Because they be like say you don't know what you come do. Make I tell you, hold your ear. Make I tell you something where you don't know. I feel if you make you use this phone now, I go allow you make you use this one where you don't normally go collect from them. If you collect anything from these people again, you don't go like them. Which can't be this one now?
So man don't collect gift again. Why you do like this now? Gift don't turn to bad thing again.
Chama, come, they go inside. They go inside.
I better go. Joy killer. I tell you good, instead of to happy for me, may God bless you. You can't spoil my mood. Joy killer. You know the time I not get sense. Now you don't get sense. When I tell you good thing, you know what happy for person. God not go bless you if you not have for person. I go come die because
now, you don't get you don't make it serious like that. No, not like that. When you say that, I will come out to bring another person.
Doesn't matter how long or how smart you are.
Hey, you don't know, but the blessing follow my man. Bless you. And I go back. Hey. Blessing follow my hand. That's why I sip my alcohol. I don't wanna do this party no more. I don't wanna go back to where I did before. I don't wanna go back to where I did before. Hey, baby.
Excuse me, I said, what's going on here?
I'm having a party, as you can see.
Sunshine, you are disturbing the neighborhood. You are disturbing the neighborhood.
What is it? Why are you raising your voice? Babe, life is too short. Enjoy yourself while you live.
Do you realize this is an estate? Sunshine, do you realize this is an estate? And there is a level to which you can hide your music. I heard your voice from the gate. And I was wondering who was screaming.
Baby, don't tell me you're a joy killer. Don't tell me. I want you to undress and come and join me.
Excuse me. You smoke, you drink. I mean, smoking recklessly. But of course, you know it's not good for your health. What's the problem?
Don't worry about that.
Listen, Sunshine. Make sure you clean this place up before I come out.
Alright, thank you. I will. Love you, baby. Oh my God. Baby, I love you.
My personal palliative, Obim. I've been meaning to ask you something. Ever since I got to know you, we've not talked about someone.
And who is that?
Your father. You have never said anything concerning him. Where is he?
It's a very sad one and I don't want to remember it. I don't know my father before he died.
Yeah. Sorry, okay? Sorry about that. I don't mean to remind you of your past. Okay?
It's okay. I want to ask you something. Alika.
Point of correction. Alim.
I'm sorry. Alim.
Beautiful, beautiful. I love that.
Are you married?
A little bit married.
I don't understand. Which one is a little bit married?
I have once experienced marriage before. But now I'm a divorcee. We divorced.
So what happened?
It's a long story. If I start telling you now, Chigeji, Chigabo. It's a story for another day, please. Okay?
It's okay.
Meanwhile, I had a bad day today in the workshop. I brought this small thing for you. Okay? Let me start going before your mother comes back. Just manage it, okay?
Thank you.
I would have said, let's go inside. Let me collect one for the road. All right, just give me one for the road here. Give it to me here. Give it to me here now. Huh? We are not going inside again now.
Oh yeah, give me.
I love you, pom pom.
You are evildoer, you allow yourself to be used. So what do you stand to gain in all this? Why do you choose this wicked way? Why do you choose this evil way? Malukwa no bumadu, ona ukwazi amu. Malukwa no mensi, oga na kwanansi. Every day for the tea, but one day, very one day, not for the honor. Make haste now while the sun shine, cause it's teaching time, saves nine. One day, your sins must catch up, it doesn't matter.
Come on, give us this. Just imagine how she messed up my city.
One day, your sins must catch up.
Come on, wake up. Wake up.
No, it's just a dream. Go back to sleep.
Come on, wake up and stop saying nonsense. Wake up and stop talking nonsense.
What is it? Now why is it stopping my sleep? Is it by force to make love? Break.
Make love. Where did I meet this girl? Imagine my house.
Make haste now while the sun shine, cause it's teaching time, saves nine. One day, your sins must catch up. It doesn't matter how long, how smart you are. One day, your sins must catch up. It doesn't matter how long, how smart you are. Catch up with you. One day, your sins must catch up. It doesn't matter how long, how smart you are. Nothing is hidden under the sun. If open on your material, nature, imetamanua, on nature, imetanjanua, on nature,
Wake up, Oma, wake up. Wake up.
Baby. Good morning. Oh my God. Baby, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I don't know what came over me. Sorry.
How was the night?
I'm sorry. Please. Look, I'm sorry. I promise it won't happen again. Puma, not again. Ah.
One day, you say, catch up. It doesn't matter how long as out you are. One day, you say, catch up. It doesn't matter how long as out you catch up with you. One day, you say, catch up. It doesn't matter how long as.
Chiamaka.
Sir? So you like, is there?
So my wife is not back?
No, sir, she's not yet back.
Wow. And she didn't tell you she was staying out late?
No, she did not.
So you say you're a corporate chef?
Yes, I am.
That's why you cook this good?
Thank you, sir.
I'm enjoying the food. It's really nice.
Thank you, sir.
You see, my wife and I are very busy people. So sometimes she goes out and don't come back on time. So I'm grateful to God that you came. Because if it wasn't for you, I'd have been going to bed very hungry.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. So keep it up, huh? I'm enjoying the food.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Enjoy it.
Okay.
Your mind, not your back. I call you my friend. Unagileriga. Show me your mind. Cause you know the gift. Oh, my friend, not your back.
So this is how this thing functions inside it pumps fuel like this. This thing is the only thing that pumps the fuel.
See, I know all these things. Wait, I've been meaning to ask you. What was that you were doing at home yesterday that is better than this our job?
Aleka, you will not understand. You
Make me understand.
I should make you understand.
Yes, now.
My wife hosted me with a salad, fried rice, and chicken. In fact, I ate. I forgot my soul. I've never seen my wife like that.
Was that what you said that is better than this our job?
Of course. Have I ever seen my wife in such a happy mood before? In fact, not only that, after giving me the food, after eating with one bottle of chilled beer, we went inside. Peter,
you are a very useless man. You are a very stupid man.
Alika, don't insult me.
It's a compliment.
Alika, don't insult me.
It's a compliment.
Don't insult me.
It's a compliment to you. See, let me tell you. You are not even using your head. The woman is just using your head. Look at white bears. Very soon you die without anybody to take after you. See, let me tell you one thing. You are married now for many years without a child. What is marriage without children? Me. That is the reason I'm following all these small girls. In case if any of them get pregnant for me, I will just end my marriage. Yes. See, I'm a wise man.
Alika,
forget this my dream.
Where is the key to that juice box? I don't want to stay here. I don't spoil my mood this morning. Don't spoil my mood.
Why is it that I don't like truth?
You're a very stupid person. Do you think it is everybody that any man that will sit down and be listening to gossip? You
are not even planning on having a child. Look at your face, You're almost
don't touch me.
You're almost like Methuselah. You will soon die, You're almost like a Methuselah. Look at your face. Look at white beards. You don't have child. You don't have half. Quarter.
You are a harlot man.
You don't have half child. I'm even advising you, helping you as my friend because I know very soon you will die. You don't have anybody. You don't have anybody that will take after you.
You are no Latin. You man fufula.
Stupid man. Look at the person I'm helping. You are going to 70 years without a child. I'm even helping you, trying to put you in my line so that you have all these small girls all over. You are here talking rubbish. When you die, nobody will take after you.
One day, your sins must catch up with you. It doesn't matter how long or how smart you are. One day, your sins must catch up with you. It doesn't matter how long.
Georgie. What did they laugh like this? What did they look like this? Show me now.
Chiamaka, leave me alone now. Why can't they worry me?
George, take a easy now. Calm down, I'm me, Chiamaka.
Chiamaka, they worry me. Chiamaka, no, wait, they worry me for this house.
If I no worry, you are go worry.
You no go allow me drink water drop cup for this house. What be the problem?
George, I need your help.
Waiting be that. Tell me what
you see this thing where you watch, I want them. I want them for my phone. I don't get anything for this phone. No music, nothing, no film, nothing. Please, transfer some for me now. I beg.
Chiamaka, television not inside your room.
Oh, now every time I go to sit down in front of television.
Chiamaka, how you won't make I carry my own phone? What they watch film? Where you know say my television don't spoil since you can't the one collect them from me again. Chiamaka, go inside go watch your own television. I know they don't disturb me for here.
Not transfer I want. I don't want to carry your phone. Just give me make I collect some films and music. And every time I go there for they watch film. Sometimes if I dey for they cook, I dey for backyard. I go carry phone, feed my eyes.
Any the way you dey, what you call them bored, I've been aboard.
Yes.
You come here there, me and you go to watch this thing for here. To collect my phone and I know like them.
See this one. Give me phone. I know say you don't they miss me.
Chiamaka, you too dey worry. I beg, take, I beg.
But don't worry.
Do fast, collect them. If I come out now, they collect them.
If I don't worry, you are go worry.
Stop it, because.
George.
Chiamaka, stop it. I like it.
I don't say you like him. George.
One day,
Hey, the phone they on already. They open.
One day, your sins must catch up with you. It doesn't matter how long or how smart you.
Mama, honestly, I want to divorce my husband.
Why? Why would you want to divorce your husband?
I'm tired.
Want to stay without a husband?
Mama, I'm tired.
Tired of what?
My husband has been acting up. Yes, if I don't divorce him, I will commit murder.
Murder, you said? Who is bringing murder into this our discussion? Murder. That's killing.
Yes, Mama. Because my husband has totally changed from who I used to know. My husband now behaves like your husband. Your husband has corrupted my husband.
What did you just say?
Yes, you heard me right, Mama.
You're stupid, very stupid to have said that before me.
I beg your pardon.
You heard me. Are you mad? What is wrong with you? Do you look at me as if I'm your mate? Nekwao, your late mother was my friend and not you. I welcome you to my house because of what I had with your late mother. So don't take me for granted.
Mama, I beg your pardon. Is it because I come to you all the time? Just because you're more like a mother to me? Someone I look up to advise me. I came to you for you to advise me, and all you could say is just to ask me to leave your house?
Yes. How dare you open that your silly mouth to say my husband is corrupting your husband? Do you know what you're talking about? My husband and your husband, who should corrupt the other? My husband is a fine gentleman. It's your husband that is the bad egg. The bad one that should not be seen with anyone's husband. Get away. Just get out.
No problem.
Go home.
I will leave your house, but I promise you, you will come back looking for me. And I will no longer be there.
You're sick. Get up. Just go. Go.
I will leave your house.
Papa for better for worse.
See what? Small girls of these days, they don't have respect at all. Every time you want to divorce your husband, want to murder your husband, how's that my business? Get out.
One day, your sins must catch up with you. It doesn't matter how long or how smart you are.
Maybe time Jerry will
beat you.
Why?
And
you're bigger.
Catch up with you. It doesn't matter how long or how smart you are. One day, your sins must catch up with you. It doesn't matter how long or how smart you catch up with you. One day, your sins must catch up with you.
Your wickedness.
How long or how smart you are.
No. What am I saying? Hey!
Sweetie today, fight.
My baby is back. Oh, yeah. My baby is back. Darling, you're welcome. Baby, did anybody make you angry at work? Ha! What is wrong with my husband? Did anybody make him angry? Nah! Darling! Baby! My love!
Stop following me about.
Sweetie, it's me, oh! Lavima!
Don't follow me, oh!
Sweet!
Stop following.
I love you.
Sweetie today, fight tomorrow. Sweetie today, fight tomorrow. Now which kind family be this year? Which kind husband and wife be this year? We have married you.
My two together. Hey, onye wem. My love, how are you? Eh? I've been waiting for you to come inside. Eh? Come inside now. My lovey, did anybody make you angry at work? Eh? I know how these things are. Okay, even if I offended you, I'm sorry. Tell me, I will apologize.
Blessing.
Sir?
I had a very hectic day at the workshop today. I need rest. That is why I'm here.
You can rest while talking to me. I'm your wife. I'm your rest. Huh? When you're talking to me like this, you lie on my lap like this and be resting.
Blessing.
That's why we are husband and wife.
What is wrong with your earlobes? I said, what is wrong with your earlobes? So you've not been hearing some news going around with your ears? I had a hectic day. I told you before now. I want to rest here. That's why I am here. I left you there. I just want to have a quiet time.
My love, I know.
Don't touch me. My love.
Do you want people around to hear that we're having issues in our house? Let us enjoy ourselves now. You came back, you have refused to talk to me. Eh?
Go inside.
I will stay with you and my husband is.
You don't want to go inside? Okay. Stay here. Let me go inside.
Maybe. See, I almost fell. Sweet?
Don't follow me about. I am begging you in the name of God. Stop following me about.
I'm sorry.
What is wrong with you?
Nothing. It's just my love for you that is wrong with me. Nah. Lovey, sweet.
Don't
Sweet. Out. Eh? You want to lock me out? You want to lock me out? Now what did I do?
I don't fear the guy. Come, I need idiot.
I love you.
I need
die in
idiot. Love me with your own useless lifestyle. Singleness. That is what will kill you.
Yeah, I love you.
You thought you love me. You love me, you know what to do. Come on, get out of here. Can't forget yourself.
Enjoy yourself.
I will enjoy myself. I will know that I have enjoyed myself. You are just... Do you know who you are?
Sweet.
You are a very shameless animal. I keep telling you that.
I love you.
You love animals. You will be at the zoo very soon. That's where you will be. Prison yard.
Your life is in danger. Be careful. This is not your friend. All he does is breathe.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. So I can see the dress looks good on you.
Yes, sir. Thank you for clothing a common house help like me. Thank you so much, sir. God to bless you.
It's okay. I mean, henceforth you should look good. Being a house help doesn't stop you from looking good, okay? And this is little compared to the plans we have for you. Just keep being a good girl.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. I'm so overwhelmed with joy. I mean, right now, I don't know how to thank you. I mean, how can I thank you and Brother Duke for bringing me into your house?
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you.
I'm off to work, so just go ahead with the job, all right?
All right, sir. Thank you. Such a nice man. He has transformed me into a city girl.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Everything is going well and according to plan. Yes. I beg, we go need that stuff now. Yes, so that we can strike immediately. Yes, sir. Okay, so when you go bring them now, how I want to get the stuff? Which time? Okay, no problems. Sir, as I'm talking to you right now, we've bought their hearts. Like, we don't enter them well. Now they don't believe us. So now the best time to strike now be this. Now where they don't trust us, pass with who they think. Yes, sir. Okay, so when you go bring them now, how I want to get the stuff? Which time? Okay, sir. But you have to be fast about it. You know, say we don't get time again. Yes. Okay, sir. No problem. Okay. Thank you, sir. Okay.
Every day for the tea, but one day, very one day, not for the honor. You are evildoer, you allow yourself to be used. So what do you stand to gain in all this? Why do you choose this wicked way? Why do you choose this evil way? Malukwa no bumadu, ona ukwasi amu. Malukwa no mensi, onga nakwa nansi. Every day for the tea, but one day, very one day, not for the honor. Make haste now while the sun shines. 'cause it's teaching time saves nine. One day, your sense must catch up with you. It doesn't matter how long or how smart you are.
Precious! What are you doing? Who asked you to eat the food? What are you doing?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry. Drop it. Drop it. It's not for you. Drop it. Precious, how did you get into this?
Nothing is hidden
Drop it.
under the sun. If you know one day your sins must catch up with you. It doesn't matter how long or how smart you are.
Vomit.
One day your sins must catch up with you.
Madam, good day, ma.
Yes. How are you?
I'm very well, madam.
It seems you bought new clothes.
Oh, this one, Oga bought them for me. He bought this one and some other ones. Madam, you have to thank Oga very well for me. Thank him so much. And thanks to you both for all you have been doing for me in this house. Thanks so much, madam.
It's okay. What of your Oga?
Oh, he came back, but he left 5 minutes ago.
All right. You can go to your room.
Okay, madam. Thank you, ma.
No, don't worry.
Okay.
I'll
What back?
No, don't worry.
Duke, come on. Why did you lock her out? Huh? Let her in. She said she hasn't had a bath all day.
Ray, I'm tired of that girl. I've had enough of that girl. As a matter of fact, I don't think I can condone her excesses anymore. I mean, I've had it here. Would you go my fault?
I understand how you feel. But listen, you need to calm down, okay? Forgive her. Please.
That girl will sleep outside. She will not pass the night here. She will pass it outside. What nonsense. Huh? And you, what are you doing here? I said, what are you doing here? Who asked you to come in?
I'm sorry, I don't
Get out before I use it.
I don't know what came over me, baby. I'm sorry. I promise I won't do it again. I promise. I'm really sorry. Please, I won't talk to him. I'm genuinely sorry. I am sorry. I'm sorry.
Duke, we can all see she's truly sorry. Huh? Please, take her back. But I believe women are like clay pots. And you're the potter. You should mold your woman the way you want her to be. Why don't you take your woman back and make her what you really want her to be? Please. Remember you once told me to, ignore my wife's attitude. And I did you that favor. So why don't you return the favor now?
Ray, can you ask her to leave my sitting room now? Leave my sitting room.
Sorry, I won't do it again. I promise I won't do it again.
Duke, you're my friend. And I expect you to listen to me. Okay? Kindly take her back. Forgive her. I'm very sure she's truly sorry.
Sorry.
Please, do this for me. For my sake. I'm sure she's changed.
Yes, I'm changed.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Your life is in danger. Be careful.
Baby. Chiamaka said you bought her some clothes.
Yes, I did. Do you have a problem with that? Or don't you like her new look?
Baby, she looks nice, but I'm not comfortable with them.
Why are you not comfortable?
The clothes are so tight on her, especially the one I saw her wearing this evening when I got
Come on now.
I mean, she must stop wearing those clothes because I don't want to risk my husband.
Sarah, don't even go there. Okay? Don't go there. Why are you saying that? Why are you sounding like this? I mean, you can't stop her from wearing what we bought for her to wear. That would send the wrong message. You're going to start making her feel like we're not coordinated people. I mean, I should have told you before buying her, those clothes, but the mistake is made already. You don't have to let her know we're talking about it. Come on.
Okay, she can wear them, but I have my eyes on you.
Really? I'm not that type of person.
I know you're not. Baby, Mama is coming to visit in 2 days' time.
Is everything okay?
She's very down, so I asked her to come over so I can take care of her properly.
That's alright. I mean, she can come around. Yeah.
Okay, give me some gist. What of Duke and the girlfriend?
Eat your food. Oh, don't you like it?
I like it.
Finish your food, then I'll tell you about Duke later.
Okay.
Baby. Yeah. Do take care of yourself and don't overwork yourself at work, okay?
Sure, I won't overwork myself. Okay. And you too, don't overwork yourself.
I'll try.
That reminds me, there is something I want to tell you.
Okay, go ahead.
You see, Sunshine, I would want you to travel back to the Garden City, Port Harcourt. If I get to the office, I'll send you 200,000 naira for your transport.
Duke,
Yeah.
look into my eyes and tell me you're tired of me, or you're still angry with me.
I just looked into your eyes now.
Really?
And I know for sure I'm not angry with you. Okay? Neither am I avoiding you. You see, I just want you to go and rest. Chill your bond. Okay, let me be explicit. I'm bid to travel to Ivory Coast for a conference meeting. I'm representing my company.
So, how long will you be staying in Ivory Coast?
I'm not in a state of no. However, give and take, say 2 weeks. 2 weeks, and I'll be back. But you know what? I promise. As soon as I come back, you'll be the first person I'll come over. Are you missing me already?
Yeah.
I miss you too.
Really?
From the depth of my heart, I do. But now, this trip is for us. For our own good. Okay? So just chill. Oh, let me run along so I don't be late in the office. I love you. I love you so much. I know you love me too.
I'm going to be with you though. Always too.
What a darling.
I'm going to miss you.
I'll miss you too, baby.
One day, your sins must catch up with you. It doesn't matter how long.
Where you there?
Oh,
forget. Okay. I dey come.
Sins must catch up with you. It doesn't matter how long. Catch up with you. One day, your sins must catch up with you. It doesn't matter how long, how smart you are. You are evildoer. You allow yourself to be used. To what do you stand?
Mama, you're very much welcome.
Thank you, my daughter. Where is your husband? Is he not back from work?
No, Mama, he's not back. And I'm also going back to work because I'm not closed for the day.
Eh?
Yes, Mama.
Dear Sarah, don't tell me that you're going to leave me in this house to watch over the house for you. Eh? Because I will follow you to your place of work. Oh. Mama, you cannot leave only me in this big house.
Who told you I will live here all by yourself? I already have a house help.
House help?
Yes, Mama. She will keep you company.
Okay, come on.
Mama. Chiamaka! Chiamaka!
Welcome, ma. Good day, ma. Mama, good day.
Chiamaka.
How are you?
This is my mom. Mama, this is Chiamaka. She's my house help. Mama, Chiamaka here will take very good care of you. She will give you anything you want and she will also keep you company. Is that okay?
Sarah,
Mama.
This... Your house help?
Yes, Mama.
Hey! Koro Megaka. Clap for yourself. Eh?
Mama, Biko Chelo.
Mama,
don't start now. Eh?
Ezigbo nwa. Koro Megaka. Clap for yourself. I sing clap for yourself.
Mama, please. Eh? Mama, don't even start, please. Eh?
Hey!
You see, this girl you're seeing here, she's a very hardworking girl. Very nice, and she's a good cook. Okay? She'll give you anything you want. Please, Chiamaka, make something nice for my mom.
Okay, Mama. Okay? I will. Mama, I'll take care of you.
Mama, please, take your shower and relax. Give her chilled wine or juice, whatever she wants, okay? I'll see you later, Mama. Yeah?
I'm going, Mama. Let me take you to your room. Oh, you know? Can I go? Come now, let's go.
Hey! Lekwa n'ukwu. Eh? Hey! Sarah, my daughter. Ompokwa anya, omakwa ihe ọ na-eme.
Chiamaka, what do you make you to pick my cousins while they call you?
No vex, my food is special. Kata don't boss for this house.
What's happened?
Madam Mama don't come. And the way she they look me, the woman just they look me from up to down as if I steal her something. As if she did that woman, the way she did look, I should say she they suspect something about me. And that woman, she did like person who go they do tatafo for waiting no consign her. She just they look me up and down. I say,
Chiamaka, you don't do a beg. This thing where they talk now, not be problem.
No problem now. This woman don't come. You know, you need to see the way this woman they look me. Very, that woman na tatafo.
Chiamaka, make I tell you something where you don't know. Eh? This one where they talk now no be problem at all.
So this is not the worry you like.
You see that woman where you see so? I go carry her, keep where she go there. Might even tell you self, as she comes so, I ain't gonna make our parole work well. You know what sense?
Yeah.
I be defense your eye.
How now? I go take this make them they work. How? You sure?
I beg wait, I will come.
Where you go? Why you come?
I will come. Make I tell you what you want.
How? This George, you don't understand what I said. The woman they look me. Get the eye with the woman till they look me. You don't understand. They say matter easy.
Yes. Hide them well. Wait. Make I tell you something. Now today be the main day. If you fuck up today, now me say everything we don't make no sense. Don't finish you.
Don't you?
Make sure say you give me result today.
Today when this mama don't come.
Let's say you know wise.
I don't know where.
Put this in where now?
I don't hide them now.
No way, please.
It's tight. Please tight.
They go. They go now.
Wait.
One day, your sins must catch up with you. It doesn't matter how long the house amount you are. One day, your sins must catch up with you. It doesn't matter how long the house amount you catch up with you. One day, your sins must catch up with you. It doesn't matter how long the house amount you are.
Chisom, what is wrong with you? You haven't finished sweeping the compound since morning. Okay.
I'm catching cold. Feeling weak inside me.
Very weak. And your body is hot too. Hey, hurry at the pork. When did it start?
Just this morning. Just this morning.
And I've noticed you've been acting somehow for some days now. Anyways, take this. Go to the chemist. Collect now. Go to the chemist. Tell them what is wrong with you. And go. Take care of yourself. On Saturday, I will take you to the hospital so that you run some tests. Come, my boss say, me. You know? Take care of yourself, Mimi. Take care of the house. Take care
One day, your sins must catch up with you. It doesn't matter how long or how smart you are. One day, your sins must catch up.
Peter, you are here to tell me the business you have with a mad woman, to an extent that you took her to your house.
Alika, I have seen that you don't like to mind your business.
Peter, we are friends, more or less like brothers. You cannot harbor a mad girl in your house without having anything with her. It's just something you are not telling me.
I owe you no explanation. Mind your business, Alika.
Peter, are you planning to open psychiatric business? Or is she pregnant for you? That girl has been mad for many years. Oh. You are bigger than that. Oh. She has been mad for many years. You are bigger than that.
Yes, she is pregnant for me and I want to make her my second wife.
Peter, you would have told me since now instead of beating around the bush.
Shift.
Huh? How many months pregnant is she now? Let me know when I'll be expecting the drink now. Huh?
Go and lose that back tire. Lose that back tire.
Peter, you are keeping secrets from me.
Alika, go and lose that back tire if you want to.
You are hiding things from me. Oh.
Go inside there and start this motor. Let me.
Congrats in advance.
Start your motor. Too much.
How about if I ask the same question? You've been here for a while and you're not saying anything. Do you have something to tell me?
Ray, I'm in your office. And Godson demands you talk to me. I mean, you've been mute. Is anything the matter?
Duke, you see, I don't play with my money. I don't play with my money. Do you know why? Because I'm a tiger with a pretty face. So stop playing pranks. Do you have something to tell me, Duke? Are you keeping something away from me?
I'm not keeping anything from you. Why are you talking like this? Is anything the matter? Ray, you're speaking in parables. Can you bring me up to speed, please?
So my client, Duke, my client texted me and said he's paid the money into your account. Why haven't you told me?
I am not in a state of no. I don't even have my phone here to check. I'm not aware of what you're talking about.
Oh.
First, if I do, I would inform you.
Oh, great, I see now. Like I said,